I'm here with Hernan at Danfoss, and he was just showing me the IPS 8 air purger. What are the benefits of upgrading to this model?
Thank you, Brady, and thank you for being here with us today. So I would like to say that there are three major value propositions here that we can actually differentiate this from other purgers. Number one is the efficiency behind. This purger, it operates at minus 40 F. That means that the efficiency in condensing the ammonia and having the non-condensables out to the bubbler is very minimal in terms of the content of ammonia. Anything compared to other technologies in the market give you anywhere between 3 to 5% ammonia dilution with the water. And then you will reduce the actual amount of waste water that you have in the system. The second part is maintenance-free. This equipment doesn't have a lot of moving parts and doesn't accumulate oil, which for the most part that's a major performance complaint that our customers have. With this, you don't need an oil purger for the air purger. It's 100% performance all the time, from day one to day X. And finally, I would like to also illustrate that the purger, now that is propane-based, is running on 115 volt, which is going to make it very easy for the installation, whether it's a retrofit or it's a greenfield or expansion of the facility.